In this short tutorial, we will learn how to edit video using YouTube Video Editor. With YouTube Video Editor, you can do numerous things. You can combine multiple videos and images you've uploaded to create a new video or remix a video. You can trim your video to custom lengths. You can cut from the beginning and at the end of the video. You can add music to your video from a library of approved tracks. This way you're not breaking copyright. You can also customize videos with special tools and effects, and additionally drop in titles and transitions. To start using Video Editor, simply go to youtube.com. Once you get to your YouTube site, click Sign In. And once you're in your account, to get to Video Editor, click on Upload button, and the video editor is the last option under Create Video Options on the right. Let's take a look what is inside Video Editor. Here you notice I have a number of thumbnails on the right hand side. YouTube automatically loads all of the videos from your account into the little preview on the right. If you don't have any videos in your account, this area will be blank. However, YouTube also gives you option of loading videos or searching videos from Creative Commons. They are copyright free and you can use them freely in your videos. Those videos are handy if you are remixing a work or if you want to include something different to your video. I'm gonna go back to my account videos. I'm gonna scroll down, grab a funny face video and drop it into the editing area. As I dropped it into the editing area, my controls on the right hand side have changed. And here I have a number of options that I can change for my video. These are pretty much self-explanatory. The most important ones that I use often are stabilize video. This helps if your hands shook a little bit when you took a video, and it kind of makes the video a little less jiggy. I also use autofix, which will automatically adjust the tone of your video, as you see. In the next tab, filters, there's a variety of colors available that you can actually apply to your video, and one of my favorite ones is Modern Pop. So to apply it, I just click apply. You can also add a text to your video. So let's click on the text. First you have to enable text. Once you click that button, you will see placeholder in your video where the text will go. You can change font, you can change position, but in order to actually add text, you have to enter it in the text box at the very bottom. So I'm just going to type my name and preview. Once you are done, you simply click X on the upper right, and that will close those editing controls. Next, what we're going to do is we are going to add a picture at the beginning of our video. I'm going to click on photo icon. Here you can see that I have one image that I already preloaded to my YouTube account, but you can also add more photos by clicking an add button and then select a photo either from your computer or from your Google Drive or photo album. And the photo that I'm going to work with is this one. Again, same principle as with video. You can drag and drop your photo into the editing area. You can also move the photo around to see where to place it. So in this case, I'm going to drop it in the beginning. You can see the little preview of what will happen. So this photo is 5 seconds long time-wise. So what we can do is we can shorten or lengthen the time, and you can do this by simply dragging the handles on either side of your photo. So you also see that you have similar options available for your photo editing as for your video. So I'm gonna click out of this. Next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna add audio to our video. For that, you click on the note icon and you notice that there are some tracks that are preloaded here. They come with YouTube account and they're all copyright free. Here you can also see the genre of your music. I am looking for something ambient. This sounds good. Let me click New Land. And then again, you can either click on the plus by the video or you can drag and drop the track into the audio track place. Similarly, as with pictures, you can vary the length of your audio track as well. You also have sound controls if you need to have a volume adjusted or bass or treble. You have that option here. Next, we're gonna add transition to our video since we have two parts of the video. First is picture and then a movie itself. So I would like to actually add transition in between. Again, you click on the next icon, which is a transition icon, and you see that you have a number of transitions available. You can preview all of them by, again, dropping and dropping the transition where you think it's appropriate. In my case, it's in between. Okay, you can see the preview of your transition. The effects for transition that are available is changing the color of your transitions. So I'm going to select a different color for my transition and go back to preview. The next thing that I'm going to add is the title screen to my video. So I'm going to find center title. I'm going to drop it in the very beginning. Once again, you see that there's text area available, and as you remember with different text option, we have to go to the text box to actually change it. I'm gonna name it my first video. I'm gonna change the background color to the color of my transition so it's a little bit more in sync with the rest of my movie. I am going to close out of here and go back to my transitions and grab a different transition to insert between my title screen and my very first shot of the movie. And you can see the different transitions. In this case, I have two. Now that we're done, let's take a look at our finished product. And if you are satisfied with your video, in order to solidify all of these changes, you click on create video and then YouTube will take a little time to actually put the video together and then process it. Once your video finished processing, you can preview it in your account. And this is how you edit video using YouTube Video Editor.